Hello Gotham fans, and welcome back to Gotham Season 1 reviews, which I'm reviewing episode 21. Welcome to my episode 21 review video, of course, as well. So yeah, welcome back guys. Welcome back. Welcome back guys, yes. The episode was good, brilliant, epic, and amazing at the same time, and shocking as well. Yeah, it's a really good episode, and awesome as well. Yeah, it was a really good episode. Yeah, it was a really good episode, and awesome at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, what? Yeah, and Anvil or the Hammer. Yeah, it was a really good episode. Directed by Paul Edmonds and written by Jordan Harper. Yeah, it was a really good episode. Epic and it's amazing at the same time. Oh yeah, it was. At the end, we saw Wayne Wayne Bruce Wayne cutting the photo with his father and putting his father on the notice board of all the things of about the murder. Yeah. Yeah. It was a really good episode, fantastic and brilliant. I'll do the synopsis in a minute. Yeah, coming at 8 o'clock will be EastEnders reviews and the originals, of course. Oh yeah. The originals. Oh yeah, the originals. So, yeah, it was a really good episode and everything so. Yeah, it was so awesome episode. Yeah, it was really good episode. Here's the synopsis of the show. As Gordon continues to search for the org, Bullock brings the youth who claims to have seen him, and they get him to tell him it was a high-end sex club. Okay, forcing Gordon to go to Pennyworth for a mystery in exchange for yet another favour. Bullock goes undercover at the club and forced to reveal he's a cop, rather disciplining unseen sex act. Still, they are able to get one of their deans to tell them where the org is. Meanwhile, when Guevara tries to escape from the org, he blinds her and forces her to name his next target, and she eventually chooses her parents. Typical. Chooses her parents' room. The org kills before Gordon and Bullock arrive, and the result standoff. Gordon kills the org, but Barbara is wounded. Meanwhile, Penguin has weapons planted for his assassins where they kill Mooney, but when they try to put the plan in action, the weapons don't fire. Penguin removes the firing pins and both are killed, with Marin believing Falcon had ordered the hit. Bruce tries to infiltrate Brandeslaw's office to find incoming evidence, but he was waiting for Bruce, and Brucey removed the documents upon leaving. Lucas Fox warns Bruce that his father was a very guarded man, and after returning, Bruce tells Alfred what happened to Reggie. Nygma disbounds of Dylan's body in the morgue with acid and a hammer before forwarding a note to Kirsty about its disappearance, with her not realising the first letter of each line spelled out Nygma. God. Therefore, Mooney launches several attacks on Falcon's enterprises and instantly produced to the call in all offices to prepare for the upcoming bloodshed. Oh yeah, the season finale next week on Fox on 8/7 Central. Don't miss it, guys. It's gonna be brilliant, brilliant as hell. Yeah, yeah, it was really good and brilliant same time. Yeah, it was a really good episode. Fantastic, brilliant, and epic at the same time. Yeah, yeah, it was a really good episode and epic at the same time. The verdict of this fantastic episode, I'm gonna give it a 9.3 out of 10 because it was really good and awesome at the same time, and an A plus because it was awesome and brilliant at the same time. Thumbs up for this review, guys. Subscribe, like, and share, and see you at 8 o'clock for more reviews like EastEnders and originals. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you soon. I gave it 9.3 out of 10, and and A plus. Worth it. Worth it. Lol. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, you guys, and see you soon. Bye. On my leg. Yeah, yeah. See you later, guys. Peace.